Hello, welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. I hope you're doing well. And today I'm participating again of another open collaboration. Before I go into details, I have 5 beautiful projects. Some of them I'm bringing back to life. I'm going to be painting this charger with this Serenity Blue. I started painting it with this brush, but then I noticed that they was leaving those lines from the brush. And I went and I switched to my sponge dabbing brush. I love the texture that one leaves. Once the paint was completely dry, then I came in with a little piece of jute cord and I glue it back here with some hot glue in case I decide to place this in the wall. And this little wood round here, I purchased this at Dollar General for $1. It was a Christmas plaque and I am using just the back section. I'm painting it with white chalk paint. And then once that is completely dry, then I also have peel and stick from Dollar Tree. Of course, you can probably find it there still. They have plenty of it. And I'm going to cut this just enough to place it on more than half of this wood round, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold it, then I'll cut it, and then of course I'm going to peel that back section off and adhere it to this wood round. And for a perfect cut, I'm just going to go ahead and sand the extra off. And then once that is all nice and done, I have this word love from, I believe this was from Dollar Tree. I've had this in my stash for a very long time. So all I'm going to do is add plenty of hot glue back here and then adhere it to this wood round. And then once that's put in place, I'm going to come in with some jingle blocks and I'm going to be putting everything together. And my dear friends, today is another Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday, and this is being hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, along with Loli from Loli D's Creations. And today's guest host is Buffy Designs. These two talented creators are absolutely amazing. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box, but I also have a playlist. Make sure to visit that playlist as well and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channel. If you are coming from one of their platforms, I am so honored that you decided to stop by. Coming back to this project, the jingle blocks are all in place along with some hot glue, and then I'm going to be placing this right on top. I also have this ribbon from Dollar Tree, of course, and I am going to be creating a bow. And once I create this bow, I'm going to be placing it right on top above the word love. And then I also have some floral that I'm going to be adding as well. And then this project will be totally done. I am totally loving this beautiful project. Over the summer, I went to a garage sale and I found me some of those plate chargers. They were selling them for 10 cents. And you know that the cheapest place where you can find them, as far as my understanding, is at the Dollar Tree. And now I believe they're either $150 or $175. So I went on and I purchased 20 of them. And this is one of them. And here's the final review. I hope you enjoy this one. I found this clock at Kirkland's for $149.99, and I am going to go ahead and recreate it for a lot less. I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased both of these hula hoops, and I went and I took the paper that was covering it and I was sluggy enough that in the bottom it was black, so I won't have to use any type of paint because this is the color that I was looking for. I also have these popsicle sticks and these bamboo sticks. I will be spraying it with Rust-Oleum black paint. Now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start hot gluing these bamboo sticks along with a little bit of E6000. So the size of this hula hoop is 20 inch and that big one is 27 inches. So I'm measuring it to make sure that around is going to be exactly 4 inches before I start adding the Roman numerals. The inspiration from Kirkland's is 45 inches. And of course, this is going to be 27 inches. So the bamboo sticks are already put in place, and that's what's gonna hold both of the hula hoops together. So that's why I reinforced it with E6000 and hot glue. But for the Roman numerals, as you can see, I'm taking the popsicle sticks and I am cutting that round piece. That's how I'm going to start creating those Roman numerals. Now I started making X's for the number 10, and with some hot glue, I'm gonna start placing them in its place. I'm only gonna be using hot glue. And we are almost done with this piece, but I'm going to break down the cost. I pay for the 2 hula hoops $1.25 each. For the popsicle, another $1.25. And for the battery operated clock, I pay $14.26 from Amazon. And that is a set of 2. And the total cost for this piece, although my piece is smaller than the one in Kirkland's, the one in Kirkland's is 45 inches and mine is 27 inches. And my total cost is $17.91 plus whatever I pay in taxes. And of course, this is going to be going above my fireplace along with 2 candle holders that I previously created in a different video. I'll leave that one down in my description box as well, so you could go ahead and check it out. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. And remember that subscription is completely free, and when you subscribe to my channel, you share and you like, you help my channel grow, and that means the world to me. And now for the final review.
In my little corner space, wooden glass beneath my hand, something magic starts to rise when the afternoon light lands. I've been busy all damn week, making beauty from
I'm recycling this wood piece. I also have this wood bead with some hot glue. I'm gonna glue it right here. And then with some more hot glue, I'm gonna be gluing the wreath right on top. And here it is all put together. I also purchased this beautiful butterfly from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and trim this piece out. And I will also sand the bottom portion for any rough areas. We'll also take some of this antique wax. I watered it down and I'm gonna give it one coat to the entire piece. These butterflies are also from Dollar Tree with plenty of hot glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on top. I'll do the same thing to the other side. I also put this hook up here so it could allow us to hang it. Added a second hook on the wreath. I give it one coat with brown acrylic paint to both of the hooks, and I also added a chain to the butterfly, and that's how we are going to hang it right up here. And this is it for this second project. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And here it is, the final reveal. Bought this beautiful beaded garland at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use some more of those yellow flowers. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna be putting them right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stabilize these little wooden beads because they do move around. Putting some hot glue is gonna allow them not to move from its place. Coming back now to these beautiful flowers, I'm taking some of this baker's twine and I'm gonna go ahead and tie both of them together. Once they are tied, I'm gonna put them right here on top of the wreath. This is gonna come out really pretty. And with some of these white tiger ties, that's how I call them, I went and I put these flowers in place. I also have a birdhouse from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and take the same khaki color from earlier, and I'm gonna go ahead and heavily distress this birdhouse. Now the birdhouse is already distressed. I have these little DIY wood tags. I'm gonna go and pick this little bird. I'm gonna paint it with yellow acrylic paint, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on the birdhouse. And now it's time to put this beautiful birdhouse on the wreath. And of course, you got to use plenty of hot glue. We want to make sure that this is not going to go anywhere. I also have a bowl that I am going to be incorporating in this beautiful wreath. If you are coming over from one of the other channels, welcome to my channel. I hope that you do subscribe so you could stick around for a little while. The subscription is completely free. And when you subscribe, we all grow together. Thank you once again for stopping by. I like this ribbon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around, and I'm gonna be using only one roll. And here it is. I wrapped it around. I'm gonna tuck it in with a little bit of hot glue. And then I have this yarn that I purchased at a grab bag several years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the rest of this wreath form with that yarn. So we are all done wrapping this wreath form. This looks amazing. I am liking the textures that this wreath has. Now let's go ahead and start decorating it. I have this word love and it's galvanized, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with this khaki color. Now that is completely dry, I'm going to be using some hot glue and then I'm going to be gluing it right where the yarn is at. I also have these burlap roses. I'm going to try to open them up a little and then with some hot glue, I'm going to be placing them right by the L. And I also have a wood rose also from Dollar Tree. I think that you might be able to still find these products or items at the Dollar Tree. And with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be placing this right here. I also have some greenery that I'm going to also be implementing. But for now, let's go ahead and work with this beautiful flower with plenty of hot glue. I'm going to place this one by the E. Before I continue to add greenery, I decided to add this little burlap hook back by the wreath so like that we can have something to hang it on. And then I will just continue to add more greenery. Okay, so I said greenery, but we are also going to be adding some more yellow flowers. This wreath came together and it is completely beautiful. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. To my future subscribers, remember that the subscription is entirely free. Thank you for staying until the end, and now for the final reveal.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, it's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.